Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. A refreshing coffee bar ideas for your home. Be it an old cabinet or in awkward corner, in rustic or in vintage style. Here are some great ideas for home coffee bars. If you find yourself spending a small fortune every month at the local coffee shop, then it's time to wake up and smell the our coffee with the resulting realization that maybe what you need in is a coffee bar right in your home for your daily fix. Take a look at these homes that have succeeded beautifully in creating coffee counters at home, be it in the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, or any other spot around you and around the house. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your friends and family. This rustic farmhouse style coffee bar is a charming spot in which to prepare your cup of coffee. Floating ledges that match the center table hold kitchen paraphernalia and coffee mugs, while the writing on the wall is clear about what needs to be done here. An electric collection of food related menus or circus posters and a butcher's receipts hang in this coffee corner. An ultra modern kitchen optimizes space by turning a floating shelf against a black chalkboard wall into a coffee counter. Sleek drawers provide ample storage, leaving the top free just enough to hold the machine cups and trays. Rich tanned wood, grey glass, there's a tree frogs, a cup. A sleek coffee machine is paired with a steel tray of hand cup coffee. Subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.